So today I'm going to show you how to build a lifting pole hair snare, which is a system to catch, well, animals, rabbits, hares, stuff like that. And why you want to use it? You want to use it, this system, because it lifts the animal up in the air. So it can't chew through your snare if you use like rope or rawhide, stuff like that. And other predators can't access that easy. It's a really fun system, and that's why I like to show it. So I'm not even talking about where to put it. I'm just gonna make like an example for how it works and which knots you're gonna use. Of course, you gotta think of where to put it, above a rabbit hole or a game trail. Make like a path for the animal so it goes through your snare, but that's not what we're talking about today. It's just about the system and how it works, and it's fun. You gotta use, well, you can use it with rope and make the total system with rope. You could also start with rope and then attach like copper wire at the end to make the actual snare. At the end of the movie, I'm going to show you how to keep your snare in place. Okay, this is the system of the lifting pole hair snare. Of course, you could use a log which is already down, or cut a tree down. I use like these poles just to make it all efficient. Important is that the large part of this pole has to lift, that side has to lift the animal, so that's got to be heavier or longer. You can put some weight on there if you need to, and then the animal goes up and stays off the ground normally. So I use some lashings here to touch this one. This one is a clovage, 2 ends, clovage, and later on I will zoom in for the nuts. But it's important, there's a short piece and a longer piece. Short piece with a nut, and the longer piece is where the snare comes on. So now I'm gonna attach it. You can do it on your own by putting it down. Keep it under your armpit and go around. Make a loop through, so the nut will block here, and that will block the total system. Push it a bit towards you, up. Watch out, don't lose your teeth. So now the system is set. The system is set, and this I would have to make a loop or put like the copper wire on there for the actual snare, which I'm going to show later. So the system is, there's a loop, the rabbit comes through, and maybe you want to go a bit further so you can see everything. Got it? And there it goes, lifts up. Is this high enough? Maybe not, but you can always adapt this. Go higher with this, go longer, go further, go more down, whatever. So you can easily adapt it, but that's the system. So this is like the knot, the stopper knot, and here is where the snare comes on, the loop or the snare, whatever. So you go around, and then make a loop like a slip knot, so this knot is gonna lock in there. That's the idea. So let it go easy till it locks, and the thinner the wire, the harder it is to lock it, so it's gonna be really sensitive, but you can make a double knot in there if you like to. And now the more fun one with a tree. Gotta watch out for my head. Same system. Hope you can see how fast it goes. Pull. Over there. Keeping a snare on its place. Fine. This one's broken. Another one.